What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell, that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. So in today's video, I am going to create this Valentine's Day look for you guys, and hopefully this is beginner friendly. I think that this look was pretty easy to achieve, and I can't wait to see what you guys recreate as well. So be sure to tag me in it if you're on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter and you've recreated this look. Tag me in it. All of my handles will be down in the description box below. I cannot wait to see you know, how it turns out. I know that it should turn out really great. In this tutorial, I'm using the Huda Beauty Obsessions Amethyst palette, and I really thought that this palette was really nice for the month of February to use, since this is their birthstone. So I was really excited to do this look because purple is my favorite color, if you do not already know that. And the colors in here just look really pretty. They look fabulous. The lighting might be washing it out just a little bit. I think I finally got my lighting down, you guys. So I think this is the lighting that I'm going to be going with in my future videos. So I'm definitely happy about that. However, I am going to work more on the audio. So I'm trying to give you guys quality content. So starting out, you want to get the base of your eyes looking just right. So I'm going to go in with a light color concealer, and that would be this one right here by LA Girl Cosmetics. I believe this is in Cool Tan, and I'm just going to go in and apply this all over my eye. And you want a generous thick layer. You really want to make sure it's packed on there. So you want to pat out the concealer until it's nicely blended. You just want to pat that out all over the lid and the crease, basically everywhere you're going to be applying your eyeshadow. And you want to pat it out until it's pretty smooth. And then I like to switch and take a fluffy blending brush. I think this one is just by BH Cosmetics. Then I just like to also pat to blend out the concealer as well. You really want to make sure the concealer is blended out well, because you don't want any creasing to occur on you, since we're not really setting this with a powder. We're just going to go right into the eyeshadow. Okay, so starting out in this eye look, I am going to take this really pretty color right here in the center, and I want to pack that onto my brush using I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to pack that color right onto the brush and spritz your brush with water. That's just going to help the color show up more on your eyes. So I'm just going to pack this color right onto the outer corner of the eye. And you want to build this color up. Like blending it towards the outer eye. Alright, and next I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to dip it right back into that color and build it up even more, because I want it to be intense. You really want it to be intense. Wow. So just want to keep packing on that beautiful, beautiful color. I want to go in with this really pretty plum type shade, and I'm just going to build that color up and spritz my brush. I'm using the same brush. I'm not really dipping into a different brush, but I want to build that color up, spritz my brush, and apply it over the other side of my eyelid. Wow, it's really, really pretty. And I'm actually going to go back in with my finger with that same exact color, and then I'm just going to brush that color onto my, sweep that color onto my eyelid, just like so. I'm just using a small like dome type brush, and we're going to go in to the deepest matte purple, which would be this one right here, and I'm just going to build up that purple on my brush. Just want to pack it in place on the corner of your eye. Don't need anything too crazy. Probably should have started with my crease color first, but we can go back in and work that crease color in. But yeah, you just want to build up the depth of this color on that outer corner. And then just kind of drag it halfway to the middle and just keep building that deep plum color right there on the outer edge. And then I'm just going to go in with this pretty light, almost pink, but it's like a really light lilac type of shade. Just want to tap it into the inner tear duct to blend it out a few times, and you can drag it down. So next I'm going to go in with a tapered small blending brush. You really want the tapered brush because that's what's going to help define everything. So we're going to go into like this pretty magenta type shade right here, and just load your brush up like that. So yeah, to tap out the excess, you just do that because you don't want it mixing and blending with your other shades and colors. So we're just going to keep doing this until we blend out that harsh like deep purple line. That is looking really, really good. So now that that's blended out, and I'm going to go back into that deep purple and just build up the outer corner again. And then I'm just going to go and clean up this look right there underneath my brows. And I'm going to also clean up that outer edge because you want this look really sharp and precise. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Nudist and Allison from the xItsMyRayeRaye palette. Nudist and Allison, and just tap off the excess and apply it right there as the brow bone highlight. And then you're going to just kind of like blend that out a little bit, but you don't want to dip into your brow bone highlight, but you just want to blend that out. I'm just going to go in and line my waterline. gonna do some wing liner. I'm using the e.l.f. blush palette, and it just looks like this. So I'm going to go in with more of this peachy shade and then this shade right here. I'm really not trying to build it up too much because the focal point is going to be the eyes. So we just want a little splash of color on the cheeks. This shade and this shade, those two shades we're going to mix and just apply the highlighting. I've done a whole like highlighting tutorial as well, so you might want to check that out. I might link that down below. Oh y'all, looking like a snack. Okay, so I'm going to mix those two shades and just a little dot and go down the bridge of my nose. Looking really snackalicious here. Snackalicious. So my lips are brought to you today by my best friend in the whole wide world. Thank you, Nisha, because she brought me this set. She brought me this whole Physicians Formula liquid lipstick set, and then it comes with the lip topper right here. So I like to kind of overline my lips a little bit. I'm loving this color so far. I really like the applicator on here. Look at that. Has a really nice applicator. So yeah, you just apply the liquid lipstick and you pucker your lips just to kind of see where you need the most lipstick at. I'm going into the top left corner right here in that matte type of purple. It's like a muted purple or whatever, I'm not sure. And I'm just going to blend out on my lower lash line. Just going to blend out right beneath my eyeliner. I hope you all really enjoyed this look, and if you did, or if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, remember to subscribe if you're not already part of the Queen Dollface family. And thank you so much for watching. And as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls. And until next time, hasta luego!